In this video, I'll show you how to connect your email to your Wix website so your messages look professional and match your brand. First, open your Wix dashboard. Instead of digging through menus, use the search bar at the top. Just type in Business Email. Click the first result and you'll be taken to the setup page. Here, Wix gives you the option to connect your email directly to your custom domain. That's important because it makes your email address match your website name, which builds trust with visitors. Next, Wix will walk you through a few guided steps to link everything together. Just follow the prompts and the system handles most of the setup for you. If you're using a third-party email provider, you might need to enter extra details like server names or port numbers. Having that information ready before you start will save you time. Once everything is connected, your email will work seamlessly with your site, giving you a professional, consistent brand identity. That's it! You've now connected your email to your Wix website. For more quick Wix tutorials, don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos.